This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a small keyboard. Let's begin by understanding your instrument. Small keyboards, often called mini or portable keyboards, usually have fewer than 88 keys, commonly 32 or 49. This makes them perfect for learning the basics without feeling overwhelmed. We will explore how to approach these compact instruments effectively, focusing on fundamental techniques and musical concepts to get you playing quickly. Proper posture and hand position are crucial for comfortable and effective playing. Sit upright with your feet flat, ensuring the keyboard is directly in front of you. Keep your wrists relaxed and level, avoiding any tension. Imagine you are gently holding a small ball in each hand. This creates a natural curve in your fingers, allowing your fingertips to strike the keys with precision and ease. Now, let's make some music. Begin by learning a few basic three-note major and minor chords with your right hand. For example, a C major chord uses C, E, and G. Simultaneously, practice simple melodies using single notes, focusing on a steady rhythm. Once comfortable, introduce your left hand to play single bass notes or simple two-note chords, creating a fuller sound. Consistent practice is the key to progress. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day. Actively listen to your favorite music, trying to pick out simple melodies or chord changes. Don't be afraid to experiment with the various sounds and rhythms your small keyboard offers. Enjoy the process of discovery and watch your skills grow with every session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.